How to delete message on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. Here, you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on a diverse range of topics. In today's video, I will show you how to delete messages on Pinterest. For that, open your Pinterest app or the website. This is your homepage. Below, you will see different icons. Here, click on the notification icon and click on Inbox next to Updates. This is your message. To delete the message, click on the message you want to delete. Then, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will get three options. You can notice there is no delete option here, but we have the option that says hide conversation. This option helps you to hide the conversation and it is similar to deleting messages. Simply click on it, and your message will be hidden. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.